We start the story at a local village beach. Some say that early in the morning you can hear someone playing a rad beat, as he calls it. His name is Todd, the mushroom drummer. And he has some awesome friends and beats. Though it's rare for anyone to actually see Todd playing the drums because he's so small. His friends are Pumpkin, Heart Girl, and Marsha. Marsha is a marshmallow. Heart Girl is a superhero. And Pumpkin is a ferocious. Let me tell you about the Kind Club and their story. It starts at a local village beach with Todd just hanging out, tapping on his drums, and Heart Girl comes up all mean. Well, let's watch and see how Todd handles this and how Pumpkin and Marsha step in. Welcome to the Kind Club, where we strive to understand others. We choose empathy over everything else. Kindness takes work, but it's definitely worth it. Choose kindness no matter how hard it is.
Hey Shardy, how are you even alive? You're so easy to squish.
Don't talk to me like that. Unlike you, I don't have a big ego.
At least I'm a normal height.
Don't be mean to Todd. It's not his fault he's small. It makes him unique. I really am a fun guy, pun intended. Why do you feel the need to judge my height?
Hi girl, why do you have to be so mean all the time? Stay out of my business. Why are you standing up for him?
Because that's the right thing to do. It's not cool to make fun of somebody, especially over something they can't help. I also choose kindness. It's the better way. Oh. It's okay to have feelings, but you don't need to lash them out to be or be mean
Because of them.
Usually, if someone is being mean, it means they are hurting. Maybe we could start a kind club to teach how good kindness feels better than being mean.
I guess. Maybe because I'm a superhero, I feel like I need to hide my emotions.
Why were you suppressing your feelings? It's not healthy. Did something happen?
I did get bullied at school today, so maybe that's why?
Probably. Maybe we should talk about it?
I guess. I don't like the feeling of being mean.
So is that a yes or no?
Yes, Todd. So I was walking in the hallway, and two boys approached me and said, "You're too soft. You'll never be a good superhero." It made me feel hurt, and it just made me feel quite mad. Like I had to be less soft. I was always kind, but after that, I felt like I needed to be tough.
You know, there is a difference between being tough and being mean. Yeah, you can be tough, but that doesn't make you have to be mean. Being tough just means you know how to stand up for yourself and not allow others to push you around. Being mean is commanding people around without giving them a say and purposefully being hurtful.
Well, I understand now. I know how to be tough without being mean. I am very sorry, Todd, for being mean to you.
Thank you. I accept your apology. I can understand. I have feelings like that too. Sometimes when I feel mad, I just want to break things. But when I talk to someone about my feelings, I feel that, and then I feel better. Although it wasn't good to suppress your feelings and hurt Todd, I'm glad to see that you could turn it around and choose kindness. Like that, Todd used empathy with Heart Girl to help her
who's being mean, try using empathy like it's like a superpower.
Well, guys, I think we got this time clock thing on a roll. If we work together, we can conquer our feelings and emotions.
Yeah, we should support each other, not cut each other down.
Kindness does rock. I hope you enjoyed that story. What a wonderful message about empathy. Empathy really is like a superpower. If someone is being mean to you, stop, take a deep breath, and just know that their heart is hurting inside. Doesn't mean they should be mean to you. Doesn't mean it's okay. But try to find the empathy. And if you are hurting, try to talk to someone about those feelings so that you're not being mean and lashing out and hurting others. Choose kindness. It's the right thing to do. Well, thanks for watching another episode of The Tilly Show. Till next time, toodaloo!